into the unknown.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Dantasia. If you're new here, welcome in. If you're not new here, connect the heart. Welcome back to my channel.
I know you want to
It's 5:11. 5:12 now, and we are fixing to head to the gym. I'm gonna fix me a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. My camera is really going dead. Oh my gosh. Y'all, I'm gonna see y'all at the gym.
Do shit I really shouldn't do for real. That's why I always take them through for real. Why I always take them through for real. Cause this time I'll be.
So, my camera went dead on me while I was at the gym. Today is July the 1st. It's the third quarter of the year. I just put them blueberries in there and didn't even record. Anyways, y'all, I had a good workout at the gym this morning. Got to work out. I said, thank you for the support. I'm about to sit here and say, could you stand and pray? Amen. I supposed to have 4 clients today, but one of my clients just texted me trying to reschedule. So I'm trying to see what is she trying to do so I can know how I need to move. It's currently 7:22. I'm finna eat my food so I can take a shower. This vlog is going to be a monthly reset vlog. It was gonna be a 5 a.m. gym vlog, but it's already Wednesday. But we hit the gym at 5 o'clock this morning, but we was out of there about 6:30. I'm so proud of myself. We're gonna schedule our hair appointment for next week. We're gonna do our nails Sunday, and I'm gonna try to do my toes this week. We need to go grocery shopping, stock some stuff back up in the house this weekend. And yeah, welcome to my monthly reset vlog. Finish eating my food, take my shower, and get ready for work. Thank you. Y'all, it is 3:11, and I have an hour break before my last client come for the day. So I'm finna polish my other side of my toe. I just polished this toe. Cute. I'm gonna put some oil on it and show y'all. But y'all, I'm just doing all white because I'm gonna do my nails. Stiletto. First of all, we're doing stiletto nails, and I'm going to do polka dots. So I'm gonna do one hand white with the red polka dots, and I'm gonna do the other hand red with the white polka dots. French tips and
on my feet or my nails.
probably your nails. We'll do your nails. We definitely gotta do your nails, but not right now. Y'all, she out every time I'm doing my stuff, y'all.
I do my stuff.
She thinks she's supposed to get her stuff did. Like, girl, watch out. But let's polish these toes, y'all.
Clock it. We don't see how when she get done.
It's been 3 or 4 months since I polished my toes. I haven't had my hair did in a month. I haven't had my nails did since my birthday. Baby, I've been working. But let's go ahead.
My hair did.
She get her hair did the next week, just like I do.
This. It's a mess. Look.
At least you got hair. You got a whole bunch of hair.
And at least I got edges.
Exactly. Y'all, she get her hair did next week with me, so.
We're gonna get the same hairstyle?
No, I'm getting a wig. You getting braids.
No.
No,
Wednesday.
No, you getting that hairstyle I picked out.
My hairstyle.
I'll show you. Y'all, let's do these things.
But I can't tell where your hair ends and mine begins. If I'm hair boy tattoos, I would think that it's your skin. If I move too quick, that's true, I would think it's my affection. It's cold, she isn't close enough. Who could tell me to
Yo, I know I look at this. I know. And I'm recording on my phone because I left my camera at home. But we finna go ahead and finish my nails. I did go ahead and do one side of my nails. And I said I'm gonna just go ahead and just do the other side. So I'm gonna do the opposite on this hand, and I'm gonna switch these two nails. Do this one full bling, and this one gonna be like this one. But I'm doing red French tip on this side with white polka dots. So.
Wish you could feel me, you could pull me. One day I'm really hard. Each space feels broken hearted. Cross the bed, feel way too far in. Wonder when they see just one, do they see us too? Ooh, I just wanna melt into you.
Hey y'all, it's the next day and I did not show y'all my nails, so I'm finna show y'all my nails. Okay. Here's my nails. They are yeah, very, very teased. So my nails, they so freaking cute. We're fixing to get ready to go to do a little grocery shopping. It's currently 4:27. I'm done with my client out and cleaned up my little station and whatever. And we finna head out. It is raining. It's raining. The sun is trying to come back out, but it's been doing this like all week. It'll rain for like 10-15 minutes and then it'll go away. So we got a lot of little errands to run. I need to go to Walmart because I need paper towels. But now I'm thinking about it. Like, that's all I need from Walmart. Like, I could just go to Aldi. I think I'm gonna just do Aldi. I'm finna go to the next plus store and then do Aldi. We might still end up at Walmart. I don't know yet, but let's go. Yo, I really do not want to go to too many places. I really want to make 2 stops max. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and go in Walmart because I'm not gonna do Aldi and Walmart. And it's like a lot of stuff that I want is for sure. Y'all moving my hands in my camera to darken up, but I know a lot of the stuff that I for sure want is gonna be in Walmart. Like Walmart's gonna be a one-stop shop. So we probably finna just go to Walmart and then the nail supply store if they open. I think they should be open. I didn't look up and see what time they close. We'll try to do those 2 and that's it. I did not make no grocery list, so I probably need to do that too. A little small grocery list, $50 max. Alright, y'all, so I'm really in here to get groceries that my kids can kind of like put in the refrigerator. Put in the air fryer and cook. So I got 3 pizzas. I got some chicken nuggets. I got fries, apples, bananas, and I got some ground beef because I want to make hot stuff. Get some bread and let's grocery shop, y'all, because I don't like vlogging in the grocery store. I'm not gonna lie. Alright, y'all, so I got all the groceries. These groceries is supposed to last us for a month. Today is July the 3rd. I'm not buying no more groceries soon. Put these, I got some apples and bananas. That's our fruit.
What did you like? Your mommy is the best. Serious.
Y'all, we finna put up all these groceries. I don't even feel like doing a grocery haul, y'all. I'm tired. I tell you to sit the traffic.
From around my way. Ever try to hold back your feelings? But it just wouldn't say. But when I finally found the words to say, I wanted to run away. Simply run away. Can try to run and hide, make a difference. Can't lie to yourself. I think it's
I don't remember. I think the last time I talked to y'all was me showing y'all my nails. I'm currently recording on my phone because I left my camera at home. But today is hairdo day, y'all. We're going to get our hair did today. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my lashes. I'm done with all my clients for today. And my hair appointment is at 5 o'clock. It's kind of like 4 something. So let's do these lashes. Y'all know I left my freaking camera at home, but we get our hair done.
Party in my bed, can I send you the info? Deuces, I see you later, right there.
I don't know what the crap is going on with the lights in my camera, but it's not working. Like, it is. I done had it on the charger. It's not doing anything. But y'all, my hair is so freaking cute. My curls didn't feel a lot. I've been home. It's like almost 11 o'clock. Or it is 11 o'clock. It is 11 o'clock. I need to go to bed right now. I'm probably just gonna have to show y'all my hair in the morning. I'm gonna pin curl my hair up because I need my curls to be popping tomorrow too. I got my hair did just because I'm not even going nowhere. It's just maintenance. Maintenance has to be done. Let me put this behind my ear. Can it go behind my ear? There you go. Maintenance has to be done. And I look gorgeous. I look tea. Thank you. I'm finna pin curl my hair up, y'all. Nails done. Hold on. Nails done. Nails by me. Lashes by me. Hair by the hair god. Face by my mama and God. Y'all finna pick up my hair, and I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow at the end of the vlog so y'all can really see how my hair really look with this curl and all that. Bye. Good morning, y'all. Today is the next day. I'm at work, but I wanted to just show y'all my hair again because it looks so much better. I put my little Velcro rollers on it because yesterday my curls had fell, but I had made so many videos and all that. But and my bottom lashes came off, y'all. They be pissing me off about lash clusters. Because why do your bottom lashes don't last? If y'all got any tips or tricks that make the bottom lashes last with lash clusters, let me know. But y'all, I just feel bad to myself. I gotta start back keeping my hair did. Because I know sometimes I had to go on that run. Sometimes you do gotta sacrifice and just go on the run and just don't spend no money. But I just feel so much better when my hair did, my lashes did, my nails did. Like, I just feel like I could conquer the world, you know?